just released our brand new turbo blanket for the A45, CLA45 and GLA45. These are available both in carbon fibre and titanium. They both perform exactly the same. Let's see how you fit it. The turbo on these are really well located, making it super easy to fit a turbo blanket. First, we just need to remove the factory heat shield. Removing the engine cover will make this slightly easier. We're going to see what difference a turbo blanket makes on our CLA45. We're going to take it around the block a few times, get the turbo nice and hot, come in, measure the temperatures and see what difference a turbo blanket makes.
About 400, got it? Yeah, 200.
Okay, so let's have a look what's in the packet. You've got your turbo blanket, a product guide, which I thoroughly recommend reading cover to cover. And then you've got your fastening nuts and bolts. You can use the original standard ones, but we've supplied some Allen heads if you prefer. Lift the engine cover slightly and you'll notice there's 3 holes on it. You want to line these 3 holes up with the 3 original bolt holes that you had. So once you've got the blanket roughly in place, again, you're going to have to lift up your engine cover slightly. So once you've got to this position here, you're going to just manipulate it into place. It's really important that this line goes on the outside of the blanket, as you can see there. Manipulate that in place. Once you're ready, and you've got the 3 holes lined up with the bolt holes underneath, you just want to secure that with the supplied bolts here. Okay, so you want your bolt, followed by the small washer, and then the large one. Once you've got that into position, you want to roughly, by hand, find the nut hole, start to tighten that up. Before you tighten that down fully, just make sure these are in the centre of the 2 holes. Now we've fitted the turbo blanket, we're going to do the same spirited drive and see what temperature difference we get.
.52 degrees. Ready?